Hey, welcome back to the Better Review channel. Today I will be doing a tabletop review on a Ulanzi V2 GoPro case. This is how this ships. This is not a unboxing. I just stuck it back in here so you guys would see how it shipped. Let's take the case out of the box. This is what you get in the box. Get a satisfaction card and you get two different stickers. A little bit of swag there. Alright, here's the store to show. It's the Ulanzi case. Hey guys, beware too. I ordered this case on Amazon and I got hustled. I was pretty upset about it. This case was marketed as being sold as an aluminum case, and when I got the case it was made out of ABS plastic. So that was very heartbreaking. But what I'll do after this video is I'll reach out to Ulanzi about this and maybe see if they could remedy this, because this dealer was posing as a certified Ulanzi dealer. Anyways, let's get back into this review. I looked at the case online. It looked great. You have a cold shoe mount here. This comes off. This slides right off, as you can see here. Put it right back on. Now the case, it's really simple to use. You just remove this slide piece here. And the reason why I got this case is because I wanted a nice way to tuck the GoPro microphone adapter away. And that happens really nicely right here in this slot. You could tuck this in, but the way it actually goes from this side, you just run it through. Alright, let's get my GoPro out. And with my GoPro, I have been using a standard housing, which works. There's nothing wrong with this, but when you have the microphone adapter, it doesn't work as well because there's nowhere to put the mic adapter or tuck it away. But all of your GoPro accessories, your original accessories, will work with the Ulanzi case. Like this tripod adapter, for instance. I could take it right off the OEM GoPro case and throw it on the Ulanzi case. There you go. Snug it up, and it's like it was made by GoPro. Alright, now I'll let you guys see what the fit and finish look like with the GoPro actually in the case. Push this out. It's a little tight. All you do is take your GoPro, you drop it in place, you take your slide plate here, and there's a track. There's literally a track on here. You just take the plate and guide it in place, and you know it's secure when the little notches here fit in a groove. My main reason for purchasing this Ulanzi case was to give me options to put my mic adapter in place, and this case also gives you the option to install lighting equipment or mics, you know, just whatever accessories you might want to add on after this. I do plan on picking up the Ulanzi aluminum case and doing a really in-depth review with that particular case. It's pretty much going to wrap up this review. In closing, I'm going to give this Ulanzi case 2 thumbs up. It is pretty durable. Fit and finish is great. All in all, this ABS case, after taking it out the box and actually putting my camera in it and everything, I'm happy with it. It's worth the $17 that I paid for it. Hey guys, if you like the video, hey, please consider leaving a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, I do answer my comments, so feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. We'll leave a link in the description if you decide to purchase this case. Overall, it's a nice case. It's really robust, and if you purchase it, that really helps the channel by clicking that link, because it allows me to continue to bring you guys tabletop reviews like the one you see here. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Mr. Better out.